Lesson 22 Accounting Reports. In this lesson, we'll discuss about various accounting reports. Till now, we have done with our data entry part. Now, we will have a look at the various reports provided by Busy. In Busy, almost every type of report is provided, and that too category wise. So, you can find almost any type of report as per your requirement. In this chapter, we'll discuss the accounting reports that will cover balance sheet, trial balance, account books, account summaries, outstanding analysis, interest calculation, depreciation chart, and bank reconciliation. On the screen, you can see display and printing menu are appearing. Using printing menu, you can print the reports directly. Using display menu, you can view the reports on screen. However, if you want, you can print the report from display menu also. So if you want to only print the reports, then you can use the printing menu. And if you want to first view the report and then take printout of that, then you can use the display menu. In the display menu, you can see list of reports is appearing. Here first of all we'll discuss the final results, and under this we'll discuss the balance sheet. Balance sheet is a financial statement depicting the financial position of the business by listing assets and liabilities. It depicts what the business owes and what it owns on a certain date. So here we'll go to horizontal option, then we'll specify that we want to view balance sheet month wise or date wise. Here we are selecting the month wise option, and then we'll specify the starting month and ending month, that is the months for which we want to view the balance sheet. Enter data in various data fields, specify the scaling factor if you want to, and click the OK button to view the balance sheet report. On the screen you can see the balance sheet of the company. Assets and liabilities are listed on both the sides. Next is profit and loss account. Profit and loss account report displays the net profit or loss incurred by the organization for a specified month or date range. On selecting the horizontal option, we'll now select the month wise option, specify start month, end month, click OK button, and you can see the profit and loss account report on the screen. Next, we'll discuss the trial balance. Trial balance is a statement prepared to check arithmetic accuracy of the accounting records. It shows debit and credit balance of the accounts in two different columns. Here, first of all, we'll discuss the closing trial alphabetical detailed report. We are viewing these reports for all accounts. Specify the starting date, ending date, and the masters to be picked. That is, you want to view report for all the accounts. Moved only, that is accounts which are used in any transaction, or moved oblique closing balance, that is accounts that are either used in any transaction or have some closing balance. So you can choose the appropriate option as per your requirement, and on the screen you can view the trial balance. Here you can press enter key on any of the field to drill down the report to the voucher level. On pressing the enter key, you can see it's showing account ledger, like this is a journal entry, this is a payment entry, and again clicking the enter key, the report is drilled down to the voucher level. You can see first journal voucher is appearing, then payment voucher. Here we are pressing enter key again on some other entry, then it is showing account ledger for that particular party, and again on pressing enter key it has drilled down the report to the voucher level. So in Busy, almost in every report you can use enter key to drill down the report to the voucher level. Next, here we are discussing the balances only option. Here on the screen you can see that it is showing only the account name, debit and credit balance. No opening and closing balance is appearing in the balances only report. Next, we'll discuss the account books. In the account book, first of all we'll discuss the day book. Day book displays all the transactions of the organization sequentially for a specified date range. On selecting the date book option, you will specify you want to view the cash balances, yes or no. Here we are selecting the no option. Then specify the starting date, ending date, and the details to be shown by. That is, you want to view the full voucher details or only the first account used in the voucher. Click OK button, and you can see the day book on the screen. We are now viewing this report with cash balances option set to yes. Now you can see the format of the day book when you want to view the cash balances also. Next is ledger. Ledger report displays account-wise information relating to all transactions of the organization sequentially for a specified date range. We are viewing this report account-wise. Click account-wise option to view separate ledger for each account. We are viewing this report in standard format, and then for one account, specify the account for which you want to view the ledger, starting date, ending date, details to be shown, single account, auto, all other accounts, that is all other accounts apart from the selected account will be displayed in the report. Full voucher details, like complete voucher details you want to view in the report, or single account first, it is the first account used in the voucher will be displayed in the report. Click OK button and then you can see the account ledger on the screen for this particular party. Next is cash bank book. Cash bank book report displays the cash bank transactions of the organization sequentially for a specified date range. Here we are selecting the single column, specify the bank name. We are viewing this report for State Bank of India. If you want, you can include the PDC entries also, and on the screen you can view the entries related to State Bank of India. Next is accounts register. In the accounts register, you can view all the account registers in standard format as created in Busy. Here we are viewing the sales register for all sale types and one particular party, that is whatever the sales transactions with the Kamal traders are done will be displayed on the screen. This is a sales register for Kamal traders. If you want, you can view the report with bifurcation of amount or without bifurcation of amount. Next is party daybook. Party daybook report displays all the transactions of a party along with account information within specified date range. Next we will discuss account summary. Here first of all we will discuss daily balances report, which displays date-wise closing balance for an account for the specified date range. Select party, specify starting date, ending date, and click OK button, and on the screen you can view the daily balance of the account Arshia Enterprise. Date-wise daily balance is appearing on screen. Next is daily summary. Daily summary report displays date-wise opening balance, totals of debit and credit entries, and the closing balance of an account for specified date range. Select account, specified dates, and on the screen you can see the daily summary for the selected party. Next is monthly summary. Monthly summary report displays month-wise opening balance, totals of debit and credit balance. We are selecting the vertical option, and then account-wise one account. We have selected the account as Arshia Enterprises. Starting month July and ending month August, so we are viewing the monthly summary for July and August month, and on the screen you can see the monthly summary for Arshia Enterprises for each month. Next is consolidated summary. Consolidated summary report displays opening balance, totals of debit entries and credit entries, and closing balance of account group for a specified date range. We are viewing these reports for selected accounts. We have selected the account groups and sundry debtors and have selected certain accounts under it. So on the screen you can view the consolidated summary for the selected accounts. We are viewing this report again for the group of accounts, that is sundry debtors. We have selected the group as sundry debtors, so you can see the report for all the accounts falling under the sundry debtors group on the screen. Next is transaction summary. Transaction summary report displays opening balance, bifurcation of debit and credit amount into various accounting and dual voucher type, and the closing balance of account group for specified date range. Next is party aging FIFO Business. This report classifies amount receivable according to various time slabs. Report works on FIFO basis. We are viewing this report party wise. One party option we are selecting. We have selected the party as Arshia Enterprises and have specified the date, that is the date on which we want to view the status. So here on the screen Busy has shown the aging analysis receivable for the Arshia Enterprise. Next is outstanding analysis report. Outstanding analysis reports provide information regarding the outstanding status of payments. These reports help in analyzing the credit limit extended to or by various parties. Here first of all we'll discuss the amount receivable report. Amount receivable report displays the debit balance of party accounts that fall under the sundry debtors creditors account group as on a specified date. Here we have selected the group of accounts option, then we have selected the sundry creditors option. Report date, that is the date on which we want to view the amount receivable status. If you want, you can apply filter on amount also, that is, for example, if you want to view amount receivable for greater than 10,000 rupees from parties, then you can apply such filtration criteria also. So on the screen you can see that on Kamal trade on this particular date this much amount is receivable. Next is bills receivable. Bills receivable report displays bills receivable details for an account group or all the accounts. Here we are selecting the one account option. Now select the party, then is the type of entries to be considered. First is pending. A bill is said to be pending from the day the bill is raised to the day it is adjusted. A bill is said to be due when its due date has passed and the bill is not yet cleared, and all including cleared, that is, select this option if you want to view report for all the bills. So if you want to view the reports for only those bills whose due date has not yet passed, then you can select the pending option. And if you want to view the report for those bills whose due date has been passed and the bills are not yet cleared, then you can select the due option. And if you want to view the report for all the bills, then select the all including cleared option. Specify the starting date, ending date, bill status as on, that is the date on which you want to view the bill status, and click the OK button. On the screen you can see the bills receivable report for the selected part. Similar is the report for bills payable. Using bills payable report you can view the bills payable details for a particular party or all the parties. Here we are viewing this report for Sony India Private Limited. You can see on the screen it is showing the bill that we have created at the time of entering purchase voucher, that is this bill is not yet cleared. Next is interest calculation. Interest calculation report provides information regarding the interest payable, receivable for an account or an account group. You can see various interest calculation reports are appearing. We will discuss the product basis report. Product basis report calculates interest on each day's closing balance. We have selected the parties, specified starting date, ending date, and the interest calculation type, that is you want to specify a flat rate or you want to define slabs on day basis or amount basis. We have selected the flat rate option and we have specified the rate of interest is 1. Then interest to be shown, you want to view interest for payable, receivable or both, and on the screen you can see the interest calculation details for the selected part. Depreciation chart. Depreciation chart report provides information regarding the depreciation to be charged on all fixed asset. Depreciation is the reduction in the value of fixed asset that have depreciated by use and wear and tear. Select the depreciation account and on the screen you can see the depreciation chart as per Income Tax Act. Additions if any in the first half, additions if any in the second half, final value, depreciation amount. So complete details are appearing on the screen. Next is bank reconciliation report. Bank reconciliation reports provide information regarding the causes of difference between bank account and bank statement or your passbook balance. Here we'll first of all view the show all entries report. Show all entries report will show the all entries related to the selected bank. We have selected the show all entries option and then have specified the bank as State Bank of India, starting date, ending date, and on the screen you can see the entries related to State Bank of India are appearing on the screen. Here using the F4 key you can clear entries also. So here on the screen you can see when we have pressed F4 key, a feed closing date window has appeared in which you can specify the clearing date and clear full voucher, yes or no. If you specify yes, then all the entries will be considered as cleared. If you specify no, then only the selected account entry will be marked as clear. Here we are clearing one more entry also, one more voucher also. Now we will view the show cleared entries report. In the report you can see those two entries are also appearing that we have just cleared using the show all entries report. Next is reconciliation statement. You can select the bank and you can view the reconciliation statement which is showing the details for the reconciliation. So these are your accounting reports. In this chapter we have covered almost every type of accounting report. Hope after going through this chapter you would be able to easily view and print reports as per your requirement. At the end of the chapter we have provided certain exercise. You can view the exercise on screen and attempt it. Thanks for watching. For more videos subscribe to our YouTube channel.